Today I'm going to show you how to uninstall and install a light fixture. The very first thing you will need to do is go down to your breaker box. You will look to see what area of the house the power needs to be turned off. Once you find that area, you will then go over to that switch and you will turn it off. You will go back to the light fixture to disconnect the light fixture. And usually it's a couple of screws that will disconnect the old light fixture from the ceiling. So you will twist those screws off, but you will still have the wires that need to be disconnected in order for the light fixture to be fully disconnected. That's usually about 3 wires, and they're usually connected with a little bit of electrical tape and a few different caps, like these little orange caps that you see here. So basically you'll need to take those caps off of each of the wires. And like I said, it's usually a little bit of electrical tape that's also securing those wires as well. But yes, make sure you take those off. And now you fully disconnected the old light fixture from the ceiling. You'll be left with 3 wires, usually the white wire, black wire, a copper wire, which is also known as a ground wire. The next thing you will do is connect the wire. So black wire goes with black, white wire goes with white, and the copper wire goes with the copper wire. So once you have connected the wires together, so you will connect the wire from the new light fixture to the wire coming from the ceiling. You will then take the little cap, and it usually comes with the light fixture that you order, but you can still get these caps from like Ace Hardware, Walmart, things like that. And then you will take that little cap and you will put it over the wire. Once you put the caps on the wire, you can then take some black electrical tape, which you can also get from Ace Hardware, any type of store like Home Depot, Lowe's, things of that nature. And you will wrap it around that cap just to basically secure it in place. So when you are connecting the light fixture back, everything stays in place for you. So as you see here, I'm putting the cap on the ground wire. And I'm taking some electrical tape and just basically making sure I'm securing that cap so it basically just doesn't move. You go back down to your breaker box, you turn the power back on because you need to check to make sure it worked. Voila, it did. So you know that you have everything wired properly. You then go back down to the breaker box and you turn the power back off, and then you go back to the light fixture. You basically finish installing it by screwing in the screws to connect the light fixture back to the ceiling, and voila, you've installed a light fixture.